Welcome. Um, welcome back. Um, I just made a cover for my sewing machine, so I thought maybe it's a good time to clean up the machine once, give it a good overhauling based on best of my knowledge. But it is always best to check your sewing machine instruction. I have Usha Janome machine, and this is, and I've been using it for past I think 13 years now, and I have never faced any problem. So whatever I'm showing, do your own research. But yeah, let's get started. So I will start with is unplug your machine. I will need one small screwdriver. Generally, your machine has a screwdriver. I use a very soft toothbrush. Um, I don't have machine oil. I just finished, so I'm going to use WD 40. I'll spray a small spritz on the moving parts. I'll show where I'm going to do it. But and because I'm going to clean, so I'll do outside cleaning as well. So I need a glass cleaner and a soft cloth. So only these things are required, and yeah, I don't know if I add something in between, I'll talk about it. So, so the very first thing, you unplug the machine, and then if and then you remove your so I'll remove my thread. I will remove my bobbing is out. Now if you I'll get this closer. Okay, now I hope you can see. So you pull this lever out, and this bobbin case comes out. So one, and then next one. So if you see, I need to clean the entire attachment here. I will clean this up. With my screwdriver, I'll just remove this plate. This is out. Okay, if I take this out, if I take this portion out, then taking this out would be easier. So to take this portion out, if I show, there is a small cover here. Cover you have to remove, keep it safely, and then there is a screw inside. So you have to screw it, and then this will come out. Okay, so now this thing is out. Okay, so now taking this out is easier. Okay, so I'll keep it safe. Now with this plate comes out. Of course you have to remove your foot. Okay, now whatever I had to remove from the machine, it's out. So what I will do is I take my soft brush and start cleaning the parts. What the guy told me, that never blow in this, because if you blow, then it might happen that whatever dust is there, it goes inside the machine. So you are never supposed to blow it out. You clean it as much as you can, taking all the gunk out. if you see, this part is moving, this part is moving up and down. So I oil this part, which is yeah, this part here is moving up and down, so that's what that is what I oil. And if you go to your bobbin area, this part also moves, so this is where I oil. When you're assembling back, if this is your first time doing it, nothing should be pushed or pulled. Everything goes very smoothly. So yeah, just keep in mind if it's showing resistance, there might be something wrong the way you are putting it. So just take it back, take it out, and then do it again. Machine is all cleaned, sparkly. Now because I've assembled everything again, I will do a quick test on the scrap fabric to see everything is working fine. The only thing I have to do is I cannot use my sewing machine for next at least 8 hours because the oil drips down, and then I have to put this. I will keep. So let's just do a quick check. So. I will leave this fabric like this so that if any oil drips from the thing which was moving up and down, the cylinder thing, it will drip and it will stay on the fabric. And then by tomorrow I can I can use the machine. So now this is done, and I'll put my new cover to cover it up. And lovely. Okay, so this is how I clean my machine. I maintain it. Like I said, I try to do it every month, or if I'm sewing regularly, then every month. If I'm not sewing so much, then every 2 months, to make sure it works fine. I've had this machine for 15 years, sorry, 13 years, and till now I haven't faced any problem. Initially there was a problem because I was not maintaining it, but now I don't see any problem. So yeah, if you have any questions, please comment below, and else like and subscribe. Thank you.